Hi there, welcome to Fordeer. Did you know that displaying metafields is one of the most popular features of our app? With our app, you can show various types of metafields, including order metafields, customer metafields, product metafields, and even variant metafields. To display metafields on invoices, you need to start by opening the customization page. For order metafields, go to Overview, choose Extra Options, and then turn on the button. The metafield will be displayed there. For customer metafields, choose Shipping Info, go to Extra Options, and turn on this button. Now, for product metafields and variant metafields, go to the Line Items and Total section. You can enable the product metafield and type the key you want to display in the item column. For the variant metafield, choose Descriptive Column and proceed similarly to the product metafield. Turn it on and type the key. That's how you can find and show metafields on your invoice to make it more informative. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.